Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some possible questions from real numbers. Look at this question. This is our 12th question. So before questions and all we have uploaded already that you can watch. Using Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of 4052 and 12576 is our question. So to use the Euclid's algorithm, first to find out which is a big number. So here 12576 is a big number. So 12,576 is a big number which is equal to 4052 into what number and plus what number we have to write. That is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That quotient and remainder we can get by the division. That is 12,576 should be taken as a dividend and our divisor is 4052. Now this will come 3 times 4052 will be 12,156 we are getting. So here during subtraction we are getting 420. Now that should be written here. This is quotient is 3 and the remainder is 420. Here the remainder is not 0. Again we have to continue the process by taking this divisor as the quotient now. So 4052 is equal to 420 into quotient plus remainder we need to find out. Again we should do the division, but here we have to take this 4052 inside, this 420 as outside value. This is coming 9 times actually. So 3780 we are getting. The remainder is 272. So here we are getting the quotient as 9 and our remainder is 272. Again we should continue the process by taking 420 here, which is equal to 272 is our divisor now. So 272 is coming definitely one time. The remainder will be 148. You can do the division and you can check if you want. Again the remainder is not 0. Again take this 272 as the dividend and this 148 as the quotient. Again this will be coming definitely one time. The remainder is 124 we are getting. Again do the same process until you reach the remainder. You have to do the same process by taking the divisor as dividend, that remainder as a divisor. So 124, again it is one time, plus 24 we are getting. Again you should continue. So 124 is equal to 24 multiplied by 5 will be 120 definitely, plus 4. Again take this 24 is equal to, again this 4 into 4 6 are 24 plus 0. So we reached the remainder as 0 now. So here when remainder is 0, that time what was the divisor? That will be the HCF value. So the HCF is equal to 4. Since this is a 2 mark or 3 mark question, each and every step is very important. You have to write it in your exam also. So here our question, our final answer is 4 only. Here the D option is given as 4. That is your correct one. We'll move on to the next problem now. So here comes our next question. Which are irrational they are asking. We all know that square root of a prime number always it will be an irrational only. So we know that root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, as well as root 5 is also irrational only. So 1 divided by an irrational number, the whole number will be an irrational it will be. Here root 5 is irrational, irrational into 7 will be an irrational number again. So root 2 is irrational. So something is added with irrational number also irrational only. So all the options are giving irrational numbers only. So all the above is a correct answer. So here our question is, which are terminating decimal they are asking. So terminating decimal means that should consist of only the factor of 215. 2, 5 or 215 together it can be. So the terminating decimal should consist, numerator can be anything but denominator should be 2 power something and 5 power something. Any one is there also, it will be okay. Children listen, look at the first problem. That is our denominator is 3125. Go for the prime factorization 5 table. 5 6 are 30, balance 1, 2s are 5, 625. Again by 5 table 1, 2, 5. Again by 5 table 25. Again by 5 table 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we are getting. So the question can be written as 13 by 5 power 5 we are getting. So we are getting only 5 as a factor. Definitely it is a terminating decimal only. So which are all they are asking. So all the option we have to check. 455 we are taking. This will come in 5 table definitely. 5 9s are 45. This is 1 time. So this will be coming in only 7 table 13 times. So 7 and 13 are we are receiving as the denominator. Definitely is not an terminating decimal. Only 2 and 5 only allowed it. Any other number if you are getting, that is non-terminating number only. 343. 343 is a 7 cube. 7 table only it will come. 49 times. Again 7 table 7 times. So 7 per 3 we are getting. So that is not coming in this pattern. Though this is also not a terminating one. So the first option alone correct. Find the HCF and LCM of 6, 72, 127 question. So you just take the L division like this. Both can be done in the same division itself. So first we have to find the HCF, then only we have to go for the LCM. So HCF, first we need to pick the common table for all the 3 numbers. Do we have any common table? Yes, we have. 3 is a common table. 3 2s are 6. Here also 3 2s are 6. Balance 1 4. 24 we are getting. 3 4s are 12. This is 0. So again all these 3 numbers will come in any other table. Yes, it will come in 2 table. 2 table 1 time. This is 12 time. And 40 will be 20 times. Now these 3 number doesn't have any common tables because here we reached 1. We don't have any common numbers here. Now from this one up to this, the HCF division is got over. So HCF is nothing. So HCF is nothing but only these number which is coming out of the common, that only. So 3 into 2 will give you 6. So HCF is 6, but all the 3 options having HCF is 6. So definitely we have to check the LCM value also. So you have to continue the process now to find the LCM. Again by 2 table 1, 6 times, 10 times. Until to reach the prime number we have to continue the process. Again by 2 table 1 time, 3 time, 5 time. So we reached all the prime numbers. So we have to find the LCM now. LCM is nothing but multiplication of all these terms. So that is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 5. So 1 alone I didn't write because 1 multiplication will give you the same number as the answer. So multiplication always you first do 5 2s are 10. Then remaining you can multiply and write it. Here 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are it will be 10. So 36 into 10 we are getting. So definitely the answer is 360. That is your LCM value. So LCM is equal to 360. So look at the option. HCF is 6, LCM is 360. 6 and 360 is your correct answer. Thank you students. Subscribe our channel for more videos.